Three girls. How much
Yeah.
a package? Three girls.
500, 500, 500.
How old are you?
20.
And you?
20. What about ID, sir?
I don't need ID. Oh really?
You get 3 ladies.
Huh?
3 ladies. Party, party. Yeah.
How much? 500.
500 each for massage.
Short time.
3,000.
3,000.
Yeah.
Oh really?
3,000. But very good performance.
Oh really?
Yeah. We gave you satisfied. We give you
What is the last price?
If you take 2 girls or 3, we give you discount.
How much discount for 2 girls?
2,500 for each.
Yeah, but I only take you one. So how much last price?
3,000.
Huh?
3,000.
Really? You don't go under 3,000?
Because we have a company, we need to give 1 hour.
You
for
have a
the
company?
Yeah.
What
for
kind of
massage.
company? Okay.
Yeah. But we give you good performance if you want.
But 3,000 is too much, you know.
No.
It is.
No. Not too much. It's good price. Yeah. You may be satisfied with the 3,000 you pay.
What about 2,000?
2,000 is only just for...
It's not enough? No?
Not for full service.
Not for full service.
Just for blowjob like that.
Okay. Okay. Ah,
Burger!
how much for massage?
500.
500. How much for boom boom?
3,000.
How much?
3,000.
3,000.
Everything. Good, good, good. Good massage. Good, good. Good bong bong.
What is your last price?
2,500.
2,500 is last price.
Yes. Okay, let's go. Choose. Me? Choose. Oh, yeah. Wait, let's go. Pakpan natin ang isa.
I think 2,500 is too much.
No, sir, because the lady boy here is 4,000.
Say again? 4,000?
Yeah, for the lady boy. So the real price the girl is 3,000. So I give you discount. Yeah, it's 2,500.
So you give me a discount, so it's
Yeah.
3,000.
2,500.
2,500?
Yes, sir. For everything.
Yes, sir.
Good. It's a very cheap price.
It is a what?
Very cheap price.
Very
here.
cheap price. Okay.
Yeah, because some lady here is 5,000 like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But it's good.
It's good service. Yes, sir. Good service.
Okay. I think 1,000 okay.
No.
Why not?
Small. Small.
What small?
Small
What small? Ano? You small?
You know that. So, 2,500 on.